Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fortunate, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I highly recommend you subscribe to my channel because the best is yet to come for this channel. So today I'm here in a Japanese restaurant located in my neighborhood. It's just across the street from where I live, and the reason why I came here was the name of the restaurant is called Ninja Restaurant. So I decided to come in here and try this food and see what they have in here. So after I got in, I find out it's a Japanese restaurant. I actually thought it's a Korean restaurant, but it's a Japanese restaurant. And they have a very little menu, like 5 dishes in here. So if I will let you know what they have in here, they have basil ramen, they have ninja ramen, they have ninja maramen, which is interesting. They have ninja curry and the cheese something curry. So that's the 5 dishes they have in here. I didn't know what to choose, so I decided to ask them their popular meal, and they recommended the ninja ramen. So I'll go ahead and try that, and it consists of half of hard-boiled egg. There is a slice of pork, and there is mushroom. There is noodles, and there are some flakes on top. I don't know what this one is. I almost forgot the name. It's called seaweed. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and try this food and oh man, this is very nice. Oh, I have some bean sprout also in here. Oh man, I love this noodle. It's very different from any noodle I've tried in Korea, and I'm very happy to try Japanese food even before I visit Japan for the first time. Oh man, this is nice. So there's a lot of garlic flavor in here, which is very nice. It's not spicy at all. And I think the noodle is not the normal Korean noodle. It looks kind of like the noodle from pasta. Oh wow, this is nice. Oh my god, this is very good. The noodle is very well cooked. It's soft enough for my taste, how I like my noodles. This is a good one, man. So I'll go ahead and try the pork. It's just a flat slice of pork. I love the design. Oh man, this is nice. Oh man, I've enjoyed this so much. So I love everything about this Japanese food. Um, the sauce of the food is a little bit salty and it has a very strong flavor of garlic. She told me there is a garlic sauce, a garlic black sauce in the whole food. So I think that's where the flavor is coming from. It's very nice. It's salty and not spicy at all. So I'll go ahead and try the half-boiled egg. Oh man, that's good. There's a little bit of garlic flavor from the egg because the egg is in the whole sauce, is buried inside the whole sauce. So we all know how egg tastes, but there's a little bit of garlic taste, garlic flavor in there. And oh, thank you. And unlike in Korea, they give you this metal spoon for all their noodles and all their food. This one is a little bit different. I don't know if it's the restaurant style or is what they do in Japan, but it's great. I like this one. It looks like a mini ladle where you can grab a whole chunk of this sauce and then just. Oh wow, I love it. I've enjoyed every little bit of this sauce and everything in here, man. Wow. So I wonder how this food would taste like if there was if it was spicy. I like spicy food, so the thoughts going through my mind right now is how this food would taste. I believe, man. Oh wow. This has been an amazing meal. So They have given me a free service of mandu, 4 pieces of mandu in here. I think it's let's find out what is inside, what kind of mandu it is. For all I know, I'm not sure if Japanese also makes mandu, but I don't know. Let's see. Amazing. It's crispy on the outside. Oh my god. It's a little bit hot, so I need to be careful. So I'll dip it in the sauce. I believe it's soy sauce. Oh my god. This is great, man. That mandu is amazing, man. I still have some broth from the noodle soup, so I'm very full right now, but I don't want to leave it behind. It's so good, man. And I actually like how I can get a whole bunch of the soup, you know, in just one go, and then just take everything up. It's very nice. I have a little bit of noodle in here. I don't want to leave it behind. Maybe I should probably get another one, but if I get another one, I don't think I'll be able to finish everything, so, and I don't want to kill myself in here. This has been a great meal, but this is where I end today's video. If you enjoyed it, you know what you have to do. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, the best of this channel is yet to come, so you might as well subscribe to the channel right now. And when you subscribe, make sure there's a little bell icon, whether you're on phone or on your computer. There's a little bell icon. Make sure you turn it on, because that's when you get notified whenever I upload a new video. This has been an amazing Korean street food tour. I had no idea this was a Japanese restaurant. I just saw the Ninja Noodle, and they have some pictures of noodles and their menu outside. So I thought it's a Korean restaurant, so I'm coming in to try. And to my surprise, it's a Japanese restaurant, and I loved it, man. I actually plan to go to Japan to do a whole street food tour over there when all this pandemic is all over. So that's why I said the best of this channel is yet to come. So make sure you stick around throughout this video, throughout this channel, the progress of this channel. You have to trust it and stick around. Subscribe to the channel if you come across this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. So also another thing about this restaurant is that it's actually owned by a Korean who lived in Japan for a while, and I believe he developed the love for Japanese food. So he came back home and he decided to start this small restaurant here in Seoul,